Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming today on the electric guy. Today in this video I will give last finish to a wood piece. Now first add resin and hardener in equal ratios in a container and then mix them properly. This is my wood piece on which I will give last finish. Now apply it to the wood piece with the help of a flat spreading tool. Spread it evenly to the surface. Now keep it untouched for 24 hours so that it can dry. Now after 24 hours you can see the result. And that's how you give your wood piece a last finish. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to stay tuned with my upcoming videos, please subscribe.